in this video we're going to be playing a game called Insomnia. So, I hope you guys enjoy. This is a very tiny house though. Can you, like, oh, okay. Day 1. Ooh. Oh, there's a little, oh, that's probably Robux, I bet you. Bed. Bloxy gives you the power to do anything. Oh, I love that. I don't know why I feel like this is familiar. I could have played, I don't know. I could watch and stuff. I like Mom's little face, it's so cute. Oh. Why'd you turn like that? Alright then. Whatever you say. There's like houses. Yes. There's Nyan Cat. I think that's grandma or something, probably. Or just like a naked neighborhood grandma, you know those. Free players quitting saves us money. Jeez. Shaletsky 2011. Are you sure you want to keep playing this game? Alright, let's look and see what's in here. Oh, minifig. It's like books I can't read what they say. Oh. Book music theory. Bloxy Cola. What's this? We need to get more people to buy BC. More hats, more hire. I don't. Floors? Higher price floors. Bring back lifetime BC. Done. Okay, that's funny. I think Builders Club like got completely demolished though. Like it got gone. Like it's completely gone. What? Where did he just go? Oh, she is a grandma. I had a speedrun with this, even though I've never played this before. I think. I don't know, I have a bad memory. Hey, grandma. Well, why are you hiring me to do it then? If you say he's strange. Like. So why is he small like that? convenient. The power goes out, and then you gotta fix it because you're too scared to do it yourself. Bro, why are horror games like this? I am not checking that. I gotta talk to him? I don't want to talk to him. I don't want to be forced into watching TV again. I wish you could run. You can't. Why have you become so tall suddenly? Of course I can't, because it's literally called Insomnia. I wonder what's in there. This is so bright. We're just walk backwards. I feel like it's like something. We're still chill. Don't like talking to him because I feel like I'm gonna keep getting forced to be like, you know, watching TV. And look, what do you mean by that? Alright. Probably should have read that, honestly, but like, I keep. Yeah, no, I think he had a weird face, Joe. Hollow Grove. Yeah, no, I think he's like possessed or something. What is this, bad apple? If you know, you know. The Hollow Sweep. Oh, that's why are they here now? This is not quite right. The time is drawing closer. Can't do anything. Oh wait, I just slowly moved towards the camera. Why am I outside right now? It's so blurry. You should head home and get some rest. I'll catch up with you in a minute. can't seem to fall asleep. Like that's so real. But like, you gotta fall asleep at some point. But I know you won't because it's called Insomnia. So, yeah. It's just something on the couch. No, my box of cola is gone. All of it. Come on, you need to give me more box of cola at the store, Sonny. I feel the energy sapping from my body as we speak. Okay. I feel like slipping is better, but it's like, whatever. You know, he's addicted. You say you don't have any box of cola left, but it's like right there. Why are you staring at me like that? He appears, don't move. What do you mean by that? I don't. That was loud. I should have really lowered my volume. Why that actually scare me? They are almost here.